Hi, this is Jason. Welcome to my channel. I had a customer today at my house bring me a 2021 Toyota Camry. Wanted me to make a video on how to change his oil. So this is that video. Please boop that like button, subscribe down below, and here we go. As you can see, here's my Toyota Camry 2021. This will take OW16 oil. I recommend going to Walmart. Mobile one at Walmart is pretty cheap, about 25 bucks for 5 quarts. Right here is your oil cap. This is where you're going to fill your oil. Right in the middle here, this is your dipstick tube. This is where you're going to check your oil. This Toyota Camry takes 5 quarts of OW16. Reason it's OW16 is because the valve clearances are so tight in these newer cars. Let's go down below and I'll show you how to get the shield off. Okay, here's the shield. This is on the passenger side right here. There are four bolts in this shield. There's 1, 2, there's another one back here, 3 and 4. Pull those 4 bolts out and this will drop down to access your oil pan and your oil filter. Let me get these bolts out and I'll be right back. Okay, these bolts are out. This cover will just drop right off right there. Slide out of the way. And here is your oil pan. Take this out right here to drain your oil. Put it back in when you're done. And this oil filter is a lot easier to access than the older Toyotas. It is right here behind the oil pan. Just spin this off, lube the O-ring with oil before you install it. Put it back on, hand tight. So that's it down here. There's your oil filter. There's your oil pan. When you're done, just set this cover back in. Put these 4 bolts back in. And that's pretty much it down here. When you're all done, just fill the car up with about 5 quarts of 0W16. Start your vehicle, let it run for about maybe 15-30 seconds. Turn it off. Check your oil level with the dipstick tube right here in the middle. Make sure to put your oil cap back on. And that is it. And I'll show you how to reset the oil life right now. Okay, now we're in the car. You want to turn your key to the on position. I'm going to use the arrow keys right here on the dash. on the steering wheel to reset this. I know you're not ready. Okay, we're going to go over to the settings right here. Hit enter, go into vehicle settings. Go down to scheduled maintenance. Push OK to reset. So we're going to push OK and hit yes, reset data. So once we hit that, that's it. That is how you do your oil change on your 2021 Toyota Camry. Hope you like this video. Till next time, thank you.